Okay, folks, so today we're talking about the assignment 2E, sexual or asexual reproduction. So the idea here is that you should be able to see how the traits pass from parents to offspring and where mutations and allele shuffling can produce genetic variation. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open and make a copy of the document below. If it doesn't make a copy for you, which it hopefully will, because I set it up that way. And then you are going to go to the link for sexual versus asexual reproduction to fill out the information. So let's go look at the Google Doc. It's up here. And it tells you, up here, there's a quick summary of asexual versus sexual reproduction. When you click on each of the organisms, you're going to get a short summary for it, and you're going to decide whether it's sexual or asexual, and then you're going to give me a quick why. So we're going to start and do this first one together, the honeybee. So over here, this is the page. Again, short summary of asexual versus sexual reproduction. Remember, asexual reproduction, you have one parent and you get two identical copies. In sexual reproduction, you get two parents, which means that the baby is a blend of those two genes, right? So we are going to start with the honeybees. And it says, the queen honeybee mates once to collect all of the sperm that she will need in her lifetime. Back at the hive, she uses the sperm to fertilize some of the eggs while leaving the others unfertilized. Fertilized eggs become females. Unfertilized eggs become males. One chosen female will be raised as the new queen. What do you think it is? So you probably are looking at this and going, okay, well, let's see. The eggs she fertilizes, those are sexual, right? But the ones she doesn't fertilize, those are just clone, kind of. They become males, but they're unfertilized. There's only one parent, right? So I would say you're getting both on this one. So let's come on over here, and we're going to say both. For the kind of reproduction, okay, so the fertilized eggs become female. You got a mix of DNA and two parents. Okay, and for unfertilized eggs, those become male, and there's one parent and no DNA mixing, which is asexual reproduction. So in honeybees, you're getting both. So then you come on back here, you can close this, and you can go on to the next one, which in this case happens to be pink salmon. So good luck. Don't forget that I need that why, especially for each one. Then at the very end, there's a couple of questions. Every time you see a double line, you're going to click, what do all of the organisms that produce both sexually and asexually have in common? What do the organisms that all produce asexually only have in common? And then what do the ones that produce sexually only have in common? So once you read those descriptions, then you'll be able to tell me what they all have in common. Good luck, and don't forget to turn it in on Google Classroom.